not going to get in there and get a drink? How come? Huh? Your brother and sister are making terrible noises over there while they're nursing. What about you, huh? What do you think? Huh? She's just not interested in eating right now. Just gonna hang out with Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Maybe I'll get in there. Maybe. Yeah.